Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain interpolation with unequal intervals. So in the last video I told you Lagrange interpolation formula. So I am going to explain Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. So this formula, first I will explain divided differences, that is how to compute the divided differences for the given statistical data, and by using the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula then compute the functional value at the given value of the x which laying inside the given tabulated data. So here first is the divided difference. So how to compute the divided difference? So suppose f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, f of xn be n plus 1 values corresponding to arguments x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4 up to xn, where the interval space or difference are not equal, then the first divided difference of fx for the two arguments x naught, x1 and x1, x2 etc. are defined as divided difference operator is denoted by the forward difference operator and cut by a vertical line, then this operator is known as the divided difference operator. So divided difference operator on the function fx at x1 is also denoted by in the square bracket x naught comma x1, and it is equal to f of x naught minus f of x1 upon x naught minus x1, or we can define this first order divided difference f of x naught at x1 as x naught comma x1, and it is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught upon x1 minus x naught, because divided differences are symmetrical in their arguments. Now the first order divided difference on the pair x1 comma x2, that is first order divided difference on f of x1 at x2, and it is denoted by x in square bracket x1 comma x2 and is defined as f of x1 minus f of x2 upon x1 minus x2, because divided differences are symmetrical in their arguments, so we can write f of x2 minus f of x1 upon x2 minus x1 and so on. Now the second divided difference of f of x for three arguments x naught, x1, x2 is denoted and defined as second order divided difference on f of x naught, x1 comma x2 is also denoted as in the square bracket x naught comma x1 comma x2, and here we generate the two pairs. One pair is x naught comma x1 and second pair is x1 comma x2. Then the second order divided difference f of x naught comma x1 minus f of x1 comma x2 upon x naught minus x2, or we can define the second order divided difference of the function f of x naught at x1 comma x2 is equal to in square bracket x naught comma x1 comma x2. So here we generate two pairs. One pair is x naught comma x1, second pair is x1 comma x2, also denoted as defined as function of x1 comma x2 minus function of x naught comma x1 upon x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x naught, here x naught minus x2. So this is x naught minus x2 because we write here f of x naught comma x1 minus f of x1 comma x2. So x naught in the denominator, x naught minus x2, because divided differences are symmetrical in their arguments. So the third order divided difference for the arguments x naught comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 is denoted and defined as the third order divided difference on f of x naught x1 comma x2 comma x3 and also denoted as in the square bracket x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3, and here we generate the two pairs. So one pair contains the three arguments x0 x1 x2 and second pair contain the three arguments x1 comma x2 comma x3. Then the third order divided difference f of x1 comma x2 comma x3 minus f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 upon x3 minus x0. So this is the definition of the third order divided difference for the arguments x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3. Now divided difference table. So here x arguments 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. Functional value corresponding to x arguments are 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210, 2028. So here the interval difference between two successive arguments. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, 11 minus 10 is 1, 13 minus 11 is 2. So in the each two successive arguments interval difference are not equal. So in that case this data belongs to unequally interval difference. So in that case we construct the divided difference table. So the divided difference table is, so here x arguments are 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. Functional values 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210, 2028. Now the first order divided difference 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4, that is 52. 294 minus 100 divided by 7 minus 5, that is 97. 900 minus 294 divided by 10 minus 7, then 202. 1210 minus 900 divided by 11 minus 10 is 310. 2028 minus 1210 divided by 13 minus 11, then 409. So these values are the first order divided difference. Now the second order divided difference 97 minus 52 divided by 7 minus 4, this is 15. 202 minus 97 divided by 10 minus 5, that is 21. 310 minus 202 divided by 11 minus 7 is 27. 409 minus 310 divided by 13 minus 10 is equal to 33. So 15, 21, 27, 33 are the values of second order divided difference. Now the third order divided difference 21 minus 15 divided by, because in the third order divided difference we need the four arguments, say x0, x1, x2, x3. So here 21 minus 15 upon, this is 10 minus 4, this is 10 minus 4 is equal to 1. 27 minus 21 divided by 11 minus 5, this is 1. 33 minus 27 divided by 13 minus 7, this is equal to 1. Now the fourth order divided difference 1 minus 1 divided by 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4. 1 minus 1 divided by 13 minus 5. So this is equal to 0. And because both values are 0, so difference also 0. So the fifth order divided difference is equal to 0. So this is the difference table, divided difference table, that is if we have a tabulated data, so we can construct the divided difference table, and by using the divided difference table, so we consider the values. say here this value, because this coordinate this x arguments is denoted by x naught, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4, and this is x5. So corresponding to x naught, this is f of x naught, this is first order divided difference f of x naught, second order divided difference f of x naught, third order divided difference f of x naught, fourth order divided difference f of x naught, and fifth order divided difference f of x naught. So corresponding to x naught, so these are the functional value f of x naught, phi of f of x naught, second order divided difference f of x naught, third order divided difference f of x naught, fourth order divided difference f of x naught, and fifth order divided difference f of x naught. So using the divided difference values of the divided difference table, and we can compute the functional value at any value of the x within the table. So now next formula is known as the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. So how to implement the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula? So I will explain this concept with the help of a numerical problem. So Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. Suppose f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3 up to f of xn be the values of the function y is equal to f of x corresponding to the arguments x naught, x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Then the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula is f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught first divided difference operator on f of x naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 second order divided difference f of x naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 the third order divided difference f of x naught plus up to plus x minus x naught x minus x1 to x minus x n minus 1 the nth order divided difference f of x naught, or we can write this formula as f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught. This is the first order divided difference, so this will be in the square bracket x naught comma x1. So this is the first order divided difference plus x minus x naught x minus x1 second order divided difference on the three arguments x naught, x1, x2 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 and the third order divided difference on the four arguments x naught, x1, x2, x3 plus up to plus the x minus x naught x minus x1 to x minus xn and the divided difference on the arguments x naught, x1, x2 to xn. So this is the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. So here I am using this formula, and we taking the table divided difference table, that is with the help of this data, that is when the x arguments are denoted, x arguments are 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13 and the functional value corresponding to x arguments 48, 100, 294, 900, 1000, 210 and 2028. So when we compute the functional value by using the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula, and here I am calculate the functional value at x is equal to 8, that is f of 8. So when we compute the functional value at the given value of the x, so the value x is equal to 8 laying in this table, that is this 8 laying between 7 and 10. So in that case, first of all, construct the divided difference table. So this is the divided difference table, and by using the divided difference table, so we pick the values of the f of x naught, f of x naught, first divided operator f of phi of f of x naught, del 2 f of x naught, del q f of x naught, del 4 f of x naught. In the formula, because this divided difference table contain the maximum order is 4 at the value of the order 4 is 0 and value of the order 5 is 0. So we consider the divided difference table up to the fourth order. So by using the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula, so formula is f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught first order divided difference on the f of x naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 the second order divided difference on f of x naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 the third order divided difference f of x naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 x minus x3 the x3 the fourth order divided difference f of fourth order divided difference on f of x naught. So here taking the table value, so f of x naught is 48 plus x minus x naught first order divided difference is 52 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 second order divided difference is 15 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 the third order divided difference is 1 and the fourth order divided difference is equal to 0. So this term is equal to 0 and rest terms will be 0. So this will be 48 because we want to compute the functional value at x is equal to 4. So therefore f of 8 is equal to 48 plus 8 minus x naught is 4 in the given table, that is this value is x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Now using the arguments and substitute the values of the arguments and x is equal to 8 here. So we obtain f of 8 is equal to 48 plus 8 minus 4 into 52 plus 8 minus 4 8 minus 5 into 15 plus 8 minus 4 8 minus 5 8 minus 7 into 1 and this is equal to 48 plus this will be 208 plus this will be 180 plus this will be 12 and by using the calculators then we obtain f of 8 is equal to 448. So this is the functional value at x is equal to 8 and this x is equal to 8 laying inside the given tabulated data. Now the another question based on the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. So using Newton's divided difference formula to find a polynomial for the data given below. So x arguments are -4, -1, 0, 2, 5 and the functional value is 1245, 33, 5, 9 and 1335. So here data is unequally spaced because -1 plus 4 is 3, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So interval differences are not same, so this data is unequally spaced data. So when we apply the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula, so first of all we construct the divided difference table. So the divided difference table is the x arguments -4, -1, 0, 2, 5, functional value 1244, 33, 5, 9, 1335. Now the first order divided difference 33 minus 1 2 4 5 divided by -1 -4, that is minus minus plus 4, so -1 plus 4, so value is -404. So 5 minus 33 divide by 0 minus minus 1, that is 0 plus 1, so this value is -28. 9 minus 5 upon 2 minus 0 is 2. 1335 divided by 5 minus 2 is 442. Now the second order divided difference, -28 plus 404 divided by 0 minus 4, that is 0 minus minus plus 4, 0 plus 4 is 94. Here 2 minus minus plus, that is 2 plus 28 divided by 2 plus 1 is 10. 442 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 0, this is 88. Now the third order divided difference, 10 minus 94 divided by 2 plus 4, so this is -14. 88 minus 10 divided by 5 plus 1, so this is equal to 13, because 5 minus, that is this is the -1, so 5 minus -1, so this is 5 plus 1, so this is equal to 13. Similarly, the fourth order divided difference, 13 minus -14, so 13 plus 14 divided by 5 minus -4, so this is -4, so 5 minus -4, so this is 5 plus 4, so this is equal to 3. So this is the divided difference table, and in the divided difference table the functional value at x naught, because this is x naught, this is x1, this is x2, x3, x4, so this value is denoted by f of x naught. This is first order divided difference f of x naught, second order divided difference f of x naught, third order divided difference f of x naught, and fourth order divided difference f of x naught. And we want to compute the polynomial for the given data with the help of the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. So by using the Newton's divided difference formula, so formula is f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught, first order divided difference on f of x naught, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, second order divided difference on f of x naught, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, the third order divided difference at f of x naught, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, the third order divided difference f of x naught, plus this is the fourth order divided difference, del 4 of divided difference of fourth order divided difference on f of x naught. So f of x naught from the table is 1 2 4 5 plus x minus x naught is -4, so this is minus plus 4 into the value of the first order divided difference on f of x naught is -404, plus x minus x naught means x plus 4, x minus x1 means x plus 1, multiply by the value of the second order divided difference on f of x naught is 94, plus x minus x naught is -4, so this is plus 4, x minus x1 is -1, so this is plus 1, x minus x2 is 0, so x minus 0, and third order divided difference on f of x naught is -14, plus x minus x naught is -4, this is the x plus 4, second one the x plus 1, third is the x minus 0, and fourth one is the x minus x3 is 2, so x minus 2 multiply by the fourth order divided difference, and this value is 3. Now simplify this, so we obtain the required polynomial is of the form 3x की power 4 minus 5 x की power 3 plus 6 x square minus 14x plus 5, and this is the required polynomial of degree 4 in variable x. and here when we generate the polynomial and we want to compute the functional value at any value of the x. So after after finding the polynomial and we want to compute the functional value, say at x is equal to, say here x is equal to 3, and if we compute the x is equal to 3, so this is 3 into 3 to the power 4 minus 5 into 3 की power 3 plus 6 into 3 की power 2 minus 14 into 3 plus 5, and simplify this with the help of the calculator. Then we, so this value is equal to 125, and the functional value at x is equal to 3 is 125. And if we see the table is f of 2 at x is equal to 2, functional value is 9, and at x is equal to 5, functional value is 1335, and we want to compute the functional value at x is equal to 3 and 3 laying between 2 and 5. So 125 laying between 9 and 1335. So the value of the f at x is equal to 3 is 125, and the polynomial for the given data is 3x की power 4 minus 5x की power 3 plus 6x square minus 14x plus 5. So this is the way of applying the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula, and with the help of the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula to construct a polynomial as well as compute the functional value. So thank you very much.